The members of the Board of Control must be paid from A. The Consolidated Fund of England, B. Indian revenues, C. Funds voted by Parliament, D. The revenues of princely states. इसका राइट आंसर है बी इंडियन रेवेन्यूज. On account of his differences with Mahatma Gandhi, Subhas Bose resigned the presidency of the Congress April 1939 and organized a new party called A Congress Socialist Party, B Azad Hind Fauj, C Congress Liberal Party, D Forward Bloc. इसका राइट आंसर है डी फॉरवर्ड ब्लॉक. On which date was the announcement formally made that India and Pakistan would be made free? May 2, 1947, June 3, 1947, July 4, 1947, August 5, 1957. इसका राइट आंसर है बी जून 3, 1947. Dada Bhai Nauroji has described his theory of drain of wealth in the book A. Poverty and Un-British Rule in India, B. British Rule and its Consequences, C. Exploitative nature of British rule in India, D. Nature of British colonial rule. इसका राइट आंसर है ए पॉवर्टी एंड अन-ब्रिटिश रूल इन इंडिया. Who said patriotism is religion and religion is love for India? A. Raj Narayan Bose, B. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, C. Swami Vivekanand, D. Acharya Vinoba Bhave. इसका राइट आंसर है बी बंकिम चंद्र चटर्जी. Land revenue under Tipu Dash A was mainly collected through revenue officers, B was mainly collected by government officials appointed by Tipu, C was collected by intermediaries, D was not allowed to go into the hands of Sultan. इसका राइट आंसर है बी was mainly collected by government officials appointed by Tipu. Mahatma Gandhi participated in the Second Round Table Conference after A. Signing the Gandhi-Irwin Pact of March 1931, B. Refusing to hold direct talks with the Muslim League, C. Being permitted by the Congress, D. Receiving assurance that independence was fast coming. इसका राइट आंसर है ए साइनिंग द गांधी इरविन पैक्ट ऑफ मार्च 1931. Jyotirao Phule was born in Satara district of Dash in 1827. A. Maharashtra, B. Madras, C. Gujarat, D. Malabar. इसका राइट आंसर है ए महाराष्ट्र. To establish French political influence in southern India, Dupleix had an opportunity in the disputed succession to the thrones of A. Delhi and Awadh, B. Hyderabad and Karnataka, C. Travancore, D. Vijayanagar and Ahmednagar. इसका राइट आंसर है बी हैदराबाद एंड कर्नाटक. Who among the following had attended all the three round table conference in London? A. M. K. Gandhi, B. B. R. Ambedkar, C. J. L. Nehru, D. M. M. Malviya. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. B. R. Ambedkar. Which of the following incident ended the historic fast of Gandhi? A. Pune Pact, B. Issue of White Paper, C. Gandhi-Irvine Pact, D. Arrival of Simon Commission. इसका राइट आंसर है ए. पूना पैक्ट. Who started the journal The Commonweal? A. N. G. Chandravarkar, B. Annie Besant, C. M. G. Ranade, D. R. G. Bhandarkar. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. एनी बेसेंट. The partition of Bengal had to be annulled in 1907, 1911, 1928, 1929. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. 1911. After Tilak's deportation, which of the following extremist leaders was not similarly deported to Mandalay prison in Burma? A. Lala Lajpat Rai, B. Bipin Chandra Pal, C. Ashwani Kumar Datta, D. C.R. Das. इसका राइट आंसर है डी. C.R. दास. Narendra Mandal was inaugurated by Duke of Connaught in the year 1920, 1921, 1931, 1910. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. 1921. Who was the founder editor of the famous newspaper Kesari during the national struggle? A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Lokmanya Tilak, D. Muhammad Iqbal. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. लोकमान्य तिलक. Where did the revolutionaries have their deliberations which led to the formation of the Hindustan Republican Association? A. Calcutta, B. Kanpur, C. Madras, D. Allahabad. इसका राइट आंसर है बी. कानपुर. With which of the following would you associate Jyotiba Phule? A. सत्याशोधक समाज, B. थियोसॉफिकल सोसाइटी, C. तत्वबोधिनी समाज, D. धर्म सभा. इसका राइट आंसर है ए. सत्याशोधक समाज. Who was the first leader to preside over the INC? A. Anand Charlu, B. S. Subramaniam Iyer, C. W. C. Banerjee, D. Surendranath Banerjee. इसका राइट आंसर है सी. W. C. बनर्जी. The first to come and last to leave India were A. The Portuguese, B. The French, C. The English, D. The Dutch. इसका राइट आंसर है ए. द पोर्चुगीज.